the part 2, which is Indian economy after independence. So, Indian economy after independence is also divided into two parts, where the first part is pre-liberalizations. What does pre-liberalization means? Hello everyone, my name is Sindhu and today we will see the economics optional syllabus of paper 2. In this sessions, we will see first we will see the economics optional syllabus word by word, and then next we will move to the importance of that particular topic in the syllabus, and then we will see some PYQ based on that particular topic. So let's see first the syllabus. So here first if we will see the economics optional paper 2 syllabus, then it's broadly paper 2 divided into two parts. Two parts. First, pre-independence, and second, post-independence. So, in pre-independence, what we will see here that some phrases mentioned in our syllabus. And what that phrase is first is our land system and its change. Second one is commercialization of agriculture. Third, drain of wealth, laissez-faire theory and critique, manufactures and transport, that basically consist jute, cotton and railways. And next one is money and credit. And then if we will see that why the land system and its changes were mentioned in our syllabus, then let's analyze it, because land systems was very important. Because see, if we think about any economic activities, so to start with we need a land. So land is a primary factor of productions. That's why land system is very important. And the commercialization of agriculture. So what we see that commercialization of agriculture, how it came into pictures, because in British era, previously our all the villages were independent and self-sufficient. And when Britishers came, they made our sustained agricultures into the commercialized agriculture. So that's why it's important for us to study the agricultures which becomes the commercialized. And next, the drain theory. So what's the drain theory? We know that our respected economist, who is the Dadabhai Naroji, who propounded the theory of drain of wealth. That means he analyzed the economic conditions in the British era. And next, we will see the laissez-faire theory. Here we will see that laissez-faire theory basically believes in the less intervention of government in the economy. And then manufactures and transport. So here we particularly discuss the jute and cotton industry, how that developed and how the railway helped in the development of these industries, and also how railways shaped that economy. And money and credit. So it's talk about where the finances comes. So next we will see the part 2, which is Indian economy after independence. So, Indian economy after independence is also divided into two parts, where the first part is pre-liberalizations. What does pre-liberalization means? Pre-liberalizations means the period of 1947 to 1991. So what does happen in 1991? 1991 we have taken the new economics policy. So that this part of the syllabus talks about mainly everything that happened between these periods. Okay. So see what exactly mentioned in our syllabus. Contributions of Vakil, Gadgil and VK Rao. Agriculture, it's again a focus area where the land reform, land tenure systems, green revolutions, and capital formation in agriculture. See, if you will see that agriculture is the main occupation in India, it was and it is. So that's why it's a very important and prominent in our syllabus too. And then next topic is industry. Industry where the trends, composition, growth, and role of public private sectors. Small scale and cottage industries. We know that the importance of small scale and cottage industry because our economy is based on these only. And next mentioned is national and per capita income. So, in order to understand the economy, we should know what is the national and the per capita income. So here what we will see the pattern. What's the pattern, trend, aggregate and sectoral compositions and changes therein. So it's important to understand the per capita incomes as a national income, and next is the broad factors that determine the national income and the distribution. Measures of poverty, trends in poverty, and the inequality. So what here we see that broad factors that determine the national income. So what determine national income? See, the in determination of national income, poverty and inequality has a prominent role because whenever we calculate the national incomes, we consider the poverty and inequality because these two factors is a broad factors that determines our national income. And next in the part 2 we will see the part B, which is the post liberalization. So what does it means, the post liberalizations? Post liberalizations means 1991 and till today. So why it is important for us to know about what has happened in 1991 and what's going on? Because in 1991 our economic reforms took place which shape our economy. So in this particular area of our syllabus, that's only mainly and very importantly dependent on the new economic reform, new economic policy, new economic policy, new economic policy, and new economics policy. So what we have adopted in 1991, that this policy, how it impacted the agriculture, industry, our trade, our exchange rate, in our public finances and our employment, and the one thing that also includes that planning. So in this part we mainly focus on how the economic policy which adopted in 1991 shape our economy. So how it affect the agriculture, how it's affect industry, trade, exchange rate, public finances and planning, and economic policy and employment. Because it was a very important reforms that shape our economic, that's why its importance in understanding and reading the economy. So, after going through the syllabus, now we will understand that it is very important to analyze the syllabus word by word and go word by word. But we will see that how to approach this paper, because here everything is mentioned very dynamic topic. So, what I believe is we should approach and go topic wise. Topic wise. What the best way to go topic wise and browse every topic that's mentioned in our syllabus, and then see the topic wise PYQ and accordingly make notes on the particular topic. So here if we will see pre-independence era syllabus, that's mentioned land system and its changes. So if we will see how many previous year questions appears from that particular topic. So see, every years almost one questions appear from the in 2023 here land system during the British rule, which is responsible for sustained poverty and stagnant growth. And then next 2022 examine the impact of land tenure system during British. Again in 2020 impact of land tenure systems on the peasant and productivity of Indian agriculture. And again 2018's feature of permanent land settlement. And again condition of agriculture and rural during pre-independence era 2016 or 2015 land system during British periods and responsible for sustained poverty and stagnant growth. So we see that the problem faced by the post-independence India was rooted in the pre-independence India, in the British rule. That's why this paper is very important and it consistently focus on the issue that rooted in the British era, which hampered our growth, the land tenure systems that adopted by the British. That's why it's very important. So now we have understand that how important for us to understand the syllabus word by word and topic by topic and segregate everything topic wise and browse use internet as much as you can and prepare holistic notes, because every topic that mentioned in a syllabus become a questions for you and also in a constant manner. So it's important to analyze all the questions and then all the words that mentioned in our syllabus, which will help us in a better understanding of the exam syllabus. Thank you.